Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I'm Hungry Hussey. Appreciate you stopping in. Hey, today I got a pretty awesome dish for you. It's one that I did for a cook not long ago. People absolutely raved about it. It's called green lightning shrimp. I got this idea from Necessary Indulgences. She does this, her name's Christy. She cooks on a big green egg predominantly, and this is what this was adapted to. I am not going to do it on the big green egg. I have one, but I want to do it on the griddle. I thought this would be really, really good. So with a name like Green Lightning Shrimp, you better have some green shrimp. So what makes Green Lightning Shrimp? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's a mixture of a lot of green stuff. Cilantro, jalapenos, green onions, all this kind of stuff. We're going to get this process started right now. So we're going to get the marinade going for our Green Lightning Shrimp. So we're going to start out, and this isn't hot. You're going to say, good God almighty, Matthew. That's a lot of jalapenos you got there, buddy. For whatever reason, it's not really hot. What I do like to do, because I might be a little bit of a wimp when it comes to heat, I like heat, y'all, but I don't like heat that much. I take the seeds out, most of the seeds, and I take these ribs out. That's where a lot of your heat lives. For you guys out there that, you know, like heat, feel free to leave this stuff in there. Me, nah. I had a little gig over at a guy's house. Did these, I actually put them on grits. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm not gonna put them on grits. It was actually cheesy grits. We're gonna do it on some cilantro lime rice, and we're gonna make that right after we do our marinade here. Got our 5 jalapenos. I wanna take a bunch of green onions. Gotta have plenty of garlic. These right here is the peeled garlic cloves. This is the best thing since sliced bread right here. Dang it, boy. Cilantro, big old thing of cilantro. Put it right there. For the folks out there, they're gonna say, Hussey, I don't like cilantro, man. Tastes like soap. Just use parsley. You can just use flat leaf parsley if you want. Now we're gonna do juice of a lime. These limes right here, I think these suckers have seen better days. This makes the shrimp just so vibrant, just so good. Salt, we're gonna need a little salt. About a teaspoon of salt. All right, now to this mixture, we're gonna do some oil. This is extra virgin olive oil and avocado blend. We'll add a little bit of this Hussey heifer dust. It's good for all things. It says beef, but it's good for all those things too. There's a link down below. If you need help, I know a guy. I think we're about ready. Let's put the lid on this bad boy. Oh, that's a heck of a stem right there. Get out of there. Put our lid on. Now, we're gonna blend this till smooth. All right, look at that. Look at that old goodness right there. All right, let's give this a try. Jalapenos got just a little bit of bite. Taste those green onions, the cilantro. Gosh, so good. That's our marinade. All right, let's get our rice started, y'all. And I'm gonna show you a little technique that I use. I don't even measure the rice. Put your rice in. This is a little bit over a cup, actually. And pour enough water in to where it comes up to about your first knuckle on your finger. For whatever reason, it works for everybody's knuckle. So if you got a finger that's that long from your knuckle, you're good. I don't know. I think everybody's about the same. Oh, I about forgot a very important thing. Add chicken powder to your rice. It is a game changer. Add it to my fried rice. Just gives it another little All right, so while our rice is cooking, got to get our shrimp ready. This is just some extra large Eastern Coast shrimp. They're easy peel. Just use whatever shrimp you like. What I like, they already deveined and everything. Got our shrimp. We got those all peeled and cleaned up and all that. Now, we're gonna put these on some skewers. This is optional. It just makes it nice to have on a skewer. You can flip them all at once. Just helps. And then, yeah, presentation. You know, Andersons come over. They be like, dang, Hussey, your presentation is impeccable. You'd be like, I know. Hey, appreciate y'all watching so far. Hey, if you would be so kind, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And leave me a comment. I would love to interact with you. Now, let's get back to our shrimp. We got these things on the skewer. They're gonna be all pretty. Your company's gonna be delighted when they see this. We made this marinade for a reason. We're gonna marinate our shrimp. Now, be real careful. This marinade will pickle your shrimp if you leave it long enough. We're just gonna marinate this for a very short while. I'm talking like 10 minutes. I like to reserve this too for when it's cooking. Makes it great. It really layers the flavors in really well. We got these marinated up. We're gonna now cut the Blackstone on, get it pre-warmed, go put it on about a medium heat. It's gonna take about 5 minutes or so. While you got your Blackstone pre-warming, notice I got this pan right here. And I got this pan here for a reason. And this is gonna be where we're gonna end our shrimp at. So we're gonna take 1 stick of butter. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to this. And also, we're gonna do some whole cloves of garlic. And we're also gonna do some chopped garlic cloves. We want it nice and garlicky. We're gonna add a little bit of our mixture. After we cook these things, they're gonna be done. And we're just gonna slide them right into this butter bath. Boy, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. All right, our Blackstone is pre-warmed. Our green lightning shrimp has had enough time to marinate and not pickle itself. So we're gonna lay this down. We put just a little bit of oil down before. Green lightning shrimp has a little bit of oil on it also. So we're just gonna lay them right down onto the griddle. Woo, boy, you hear that? Well, smell that shrimp. Woo. I got some here. They didn't have enough room for a skewer. Well, I smell that jalapeno. It's really, really coming through. Out here, it's really, whew, just so good, so good. We got a little bit of chopped cilantro here, and we're gonna lay that into our butter bath. We're gonna get that butter bath. It's gonna be ready for the shrimp. They're gonna be like, Hussey, we ready, bro. They need a little bit more salt. I like shrimp with a little bit more salt than normal. Meat protein, I like to salt it while it's on the cooker. Take a little bit of this Hussey dust. Kind of see them turn an orange color, orange yellowish color. And that tells you that these shrimps are starting to get done. I'll flip these over. There we go. Got some nice color on it. And they are green. Like I said, these also go well on the grill. We flipped on that other side. Let's give it a little bit more of this green dressing. Our shrimp, I'll flip these probably about 2 times. I've let these go for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I'm just gonna take our shrimp skewers. I'll lay them over here in our bath, okay? And I'm gonna wait for that handle right there to get relatively cool enough for me to slide these off of the skewer and put them all into that bath. So guys, my rice. I had my GoPro doing processing my rice. Guess what? GoPro battery died. Sorry. So on the rice cooker, it had tripped, said it was good. So I cut it off. And then to that, I added probably about a 1/4 cup of cilantro, about 2 tablespoons of butter. I did the juice of one lime, and then also I like to take a little bit of this lemon zest. Zest has a lot of really good flavor in it, y'all. And then we're just gonna give this a good mix. See what our shrimp's about. We're gonna take our handles here. Right, everybody into the pool, into that butter pool. Well, I like to be in a butter pool right now. That'd be some good stuff. All that butter, all that garlic. This will go good over some grits too. Not only rice, but grits. Be good, good, good. Guys, let's plate this up. Let's try these groceries out. We're gonna lay down a little bit of a rice. Look at that rice, nice, nice and fluffy. Let's tighten these edges up, because you know them dang Andersons, they gonna talk trash. Got our shrimp over here. Stir it up, get all that goodness. Put it right there. Whoa, where you going? Get a little bit of this juice. Boys and girls, you get you some of that right there. Come on. Dang it, boy. And we won't want those Andersons talking about us. We're gonna take a little bit of parsley. And then we're gonna just comb over top right here. Ta-da. How you like me now? That's a pretty looking plate right there, y'all. I'm about ready to give this sucker a try. Guys, I tell you what, take a look at this. I mean, it's just so colorful. It's vibrant. You got the garlic, butter, the cilantro, the rice with the cilantro lime rice. It's just so colorful. Let's dig in. I want to try rice first. I just want to try rice. I love rice. Got a little bit of that butter. One of our shrimp. Perfect. We put a lot of jalapenos in there. Right now I'm just getting a little bit of jalapeno. It's not bad at all. It just works. It's just vibrant, vibrant, vibrant. Great for a summer meal. Great for any time, really, if you like shrimp. Give us a try. You won't regret it. Won't regret it. Do it on a Blackstone, do it on the grill, do it inside. Don't matter. It's all good. Hey, appreciate you watching. Hey, check out this video right here. I'm sure you'll like it too.